To make beige you need ultramarine blue, cadmium red, cadmium yellow and white, or if you prefer you can just mix beige directly from brown and white, maybe adding a little bit of black if you want to. We're just going to mix up brown, obviously depending on the brown that you mix will depend on your final beige. It's quite an orange brown. That's more like the kind of brown I prefer. And then you simply oops, that's a bit too light. So if you're finding it's too yellow, you can tone it down. And that makes a really nice light beige. Another way is to add the yellow and the black to make your green. More of a reddy beige. Black. So you can make quite a light colour. And this one's a totally different beige to this. Let's see. More of a brown beige. You can make it very pale. And then as it goes down you can see the different colours. So I think that's much yellower and that's much of a browner colour.